Alright guys, so here is the SmallRig Pix M160 RGB light. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this right here. So let's start with unwrapping. So my first impressions, I mean, the box is really nice and sturdy. It feels like the light itself. You know, when you're getting a box like this, it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels nice and thick, almost feels like an Apple product kind of box. So immediately, you know, you feel that it's a good quality light. Here are on the side the features that this particular light comes with. As you can see, it's going to be a 2500 to 8500 Kelvin light. It's going to be a complete RGB light. It's going to come with 12 effects, different modes that you can go through when it comes to the lights. It actually has a magnetic back plate on it, so it allows you to mount it places, and it comes with a 3800 milliamp milliamp battery. Sorry. Okay, well, that just popped out right here. Little SmallRig piece of paper, keeps it right there. That's nice, a nice touch to it, you know. And here is your SmallRig light. So as you can see already on it, it has the honeycomb, and we'll kind of go over that feature in a couple minutes. Let's see what else. You have your USB-C charging cable with it. You're going to have a mounting bracket that it comes with, and it has a hot shoe or cold shoe already on. You're going to get some instructions. You're going to get another diffuser. So this light comes with 2 diffusers, which is sweet. And it's going to come with a bag to carry it. So that's what's in the box right there. You know, one of the reasons why I wanted to get this light is because of what it comes with, right? So let's first kind of inspect the build quality. It's made out of metal. This is where the magnetic aspect is. So if you want to attach it to somewhere, you just, you know, it would magnetize on this side right here. It has 2 different attachment ports right here, so you can attach it from a landscaped, or you can attach it from the horizontal. So if you want to have it like this on your camera or whatever your setup is, or like that, it's going to give you the ability to do that. So that's really nice. You're going to have your on and off switch right here. You're going to have your set modes right here, your functions, the dimmability to be able to dim it, you know, probably from 0 to 100, you know, like most of these lights do. It's going to come with the USB-C charging port, and then also the cool thing about this particular light is you can use it as a battery bank to charge maybe your phone or maybe any other device, and it's going to give you that ability to charge it. So that's really nice. One of the features that I love about this package right here is the fact that it comes with a diffuser and it comes with a honeycomb. So that's really, really nice to be able to have both of these. A lot of times you might get one, you might get none, or you might have to pay extra to get another one. So shout out to SmallRig for being able to, you know, hook up both of these right here. That's super nice. As far as the quality of how it attaches. So let's see here. So feels really nice, feels nice and snug. It's giving you all of the access points that you need. So if you want to mount here, or if you want to mount there, your charging ports, your dimmability, your functionalities, your charging. So that's going to, you know, have everything exposed. So that's super nice. Let's try to put it on this one right here. So it looks like there's a little groove that it sits in. There we go. It sits in that little groove. Nice diffusion on it right there, and we're gonna do some tests on these also in a little bit, but once again, really nice quality. The material feels nice on it. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like it's gonna rip relatively easy. It's nice and thick. So once again, shout out to SmallRig for doing it right. So as far as, let's go ahead and turn on this light. So as you can see, it's pretty bright. So right now, it's giving us the modes. It's going to, let me see if I can dim this right here so it doesn't go crazy on, but it's going to tell us what mode we're in right here. It's going to give us our battery percentage, how strong the light is currently. Right now it's at 24%. As you can see, I can go right there, and then it's giving me an 8500 Kelvin. So the functionality right here, it has a little, it's spring loaded, which is really nice, and it goes through all of the different temperatures pretty quickly. So it does it in 100 increments from what it looks like. So pretty fast to get to whatever color spectrum you're looking to get to. So that's super nice, and I love that it's spring loaded. There it is, and then once again, it's gonna give you the strength of the light. This light feels really strong, guys. It feels extremely strong. And once again, the quality that they've put into this light for the price, I mean, you can't really beat it. So the next one, let's go to the set mode. So this is gonna have, from what it looks like, it's gonna give you three different scenes right there. So looks like there's the first one. If we click on that, there's there's one mode. You got lightning is the other mode, and there's actually an indicator right there on which mode that you're on. So right now it's showing the lightning, and then it looks like there's some type of heartbeat mode, I guess, this particular one. So the instructions are actually going to tell you what mode is what. So right now on mode A, you have police car, fire truck, and ambulance. So let's see if we were to, there is, I would say that's the police, or, oh, this is a different mode. All right, so let's go to the next one. So you got B. Going to go through the different modes. By clicking on it, it's going to show you what mode you're in that particular scene. So once again, you're going to get kind of going through the different colors. So that's nice. Third is a lightning again. There you go. All right, cool. And then let's go to the next one, C now. Once again, you're gonna get, looks like I'll have to play around a little bit more, but at least it's giving you, wow, that's definitely a party right there. All right, so, but there you go. And then if we hit set again, here are gonna be your RGBs. So your HSI mode, right? So that's going to allow you to control, your different color temperatures. So if we go through here, go through like little right there. So it's kind of giving you like a little preview of where you can get the lights right there. So it just keeps repeating. If I click on it, probably we'll go to the next one right here. And then same thing, I can just hold down the function button right here, and it's gonna go to 0, or it's gonna go all the way up to 100 on that one. If I click it again, it's gonna go back to hue, and then I'll have that full color spectrum again that I can go through. Now the other one, you're gonna go to 0 to 100. This one looks like it just kind of keeps going through all of them. Now, I think once you kind of get the hang of the lights that you want, you can probably figure that out, right? There's another light company, I think it's called Ulanzi, I'm not really sure, but one of the things that I loved about the light that they actually sell is that they actually have a color bar that goes right on top right here that gives you where you have to dial in your hue to get that specific color. So that would have been kind of something nice that, you know, you can have right there until you kind of get used to it. And then let's see if there's any other modes. Nope. So you got 3 different modes that you can do. Like I said, you're gonna have your color temperatures, you're gonna have your different scene modes. That's gonna have things from lightning to paparazzi to cops to ambulance to you know, fires or whatever. I'm gonna have 3 different sections in that. And each section is going to have 4 different options. So that's it's pretty cool. So that so that's pretty cool. So now let me kind of give you guys a little bit of a preview of maybe putting it on a hot shoot. So right here, give it some space. I'll pick up my camera. Boom. So that's not going anywhere. That's nice and sturdy. And then once again, with this particular mounting bracket, they do give you the ability to kind of put it in maybe some specific ways and then tying that in. So that's obviously a great feature to have. So shout out once again, shout out to SmallRig for, man, doing it right with this light. Right there. So if you want to have it set up horizontal, you can do that too. And that is, that looks great. You know, like I said, fits well, feels great. Like I said, for the amount of money that you're paying, you can't really get something better. I mean, you have the light, feels great. You have your diffuser, makes it nice and soft. This is at 98% right now, so it's nice and soft, and it's at it's one of the scenes right there. I think it's fireplace, so there you go. But that feels really nice. And then once again, you got your honeycomb. Make sure I mount it the right way. So yeah, so that's really nice. Now the only thing is, I don't think, let's see, you can definitely fit the light in there. I don't think you would be able to fit both of them. So I guess maybe that's the only thing, you know, doesn't really give you the ability to fit both of them in there if you wanted to take them both. So you'd have to, you know, carry one in your hand. So I guess that's the only thing that, if there was a thing that I didn't like about it, is the not being able to carry both of these. I mean, if you're gonna give 2 options, you know, definitely I think being able to carry them both would be really nice. But once again, that's pretty much the review on it. I'm gonna do some tests on it also and kind of give you guys some thoughts on it too.